Now if we have a closer inspection of the template that we had created in this purpose, we can see that all these elements are practically lined within a definite box, and each of these boxes are aligned side by side into a definite parent holder. So this is the next thing that we are about to do. We will be first of all copying this whole services section that we have created, and we'll be pasting them 3 more times. There it goes. Now in the second case, we will be making usage of another tag like this far tag here. So if we now head back to their website, in the first case we had made usage of this database icon. We can see that there's a lot of icons. Now in the second case, we will be looking for the tag icon. There it goes. So it may be tag or it may be tags. We will be clicking on the tags link here, and we can see that here comes the I class with this definite tag icon inside. So we will be copying it. Let's head back to our project, and in the next case we will be replacing this I class as a whole with the code that we had created in this respect. There it goes. We'll be changing this H3 header section. So instead of this database oriented jobs, now we will be creating another text which is known as searchable anytime. Similarly, we will be replacing this far database with something else, something like this links icon here. We'll be closing the tags icon, and instead of this tags, we will be now looking for link. There it goes. So next we'll be looking for this link here. We'll be copying it. We'll be heading back to our project and reload. So this is the next case. We will be replacing this database oriented jobs here, and we'll be putting this useful links. This is the next case, and in the last case we will be looking for this street view. So here it goes, and here we will be replacing it with the navigation assistance. We may change this additional paragraph here, and it will be a wise thing to vary the total amount of words, number of words inside this paragraph tag to see whether the equal height property works in the HTML and CSS project or not. So we will be, he found himself, so we will be now wrapping them up, something with this one. Here it goes, and in the last case so everything lies below, everything is well and okay and well, there's no problem with it. So if we now press Ctrl S and reload, we can see that each and every font awesome icon is working for our project. We have practically created everything regarding this template so far that been presented to us, but the problem is we cannot see in the proper view as been mentioned in the template. So in the next case, we need to make some kind of CSS customization to our project in an order to appear them properly. This is the next thing that we will be focusing on.